markets are great because it's like digging in someone's purse, but you don't get in trouble for it. Eventually you develop flea market radar. We'll take them.
Our furniture buyers are getting a free watermelon.
Thank you. So I guess we got it all. So let's just start putting it in. Everything we got at the flea market's been delivered, so let's get going. We picked up all these great mismatched prints at the flea market yesterday, and we're going to do the cheesiest recover, but I swear it works. It's sturdy. Done with glue guns and safety pins and some roofing nails. Quickly, before the glue cools, we're going to tuck this into the roll here. We're going to use these safety pins to work on this area right here. So we put the glue right here. We're going to run glue all the way around the whole edge of the top, pat it in, trim it off, and we're going to be able to apply our braid. We're going to reapply some color to this old velvet chair and change the stain here from brown to beautiful gold. Get this velvet completely sopping wet so that it'll take the paint a little better and it'll make all the colors we're going to use bleed together. The paint we use to paint the chair is a permanent fabric dye, so that's really important to make sure that the words permanent are involved when you're using something on furniture.
So what we're going to do now is tile a table in a mosaic pattern.
This is really a non-traditional way to do tiles. Usually you would put a proper tile adhesive and grout and everything, but this is a great, quick way to do it. I love redoing this old furniture for several reasons. It's so important to recycle on every level possible. God, Angel, we're done. Can you believe we got it all finished?
I know, and we did it all in one day.
It's pretty easy to do.
It is.
It doesn't cost much either. I mean, sometimes you can get stuff for free.